All right, so welcome everybody. We are talking about leadership, and we all know that this AI revolution is running over us or with us. I'm working for Exeda, and my passion is people.
I'm Niels, you've met me before. We have the same passion. We also have the passion people, and that brought us actually together. And our topic, and you mentioned it already, is now what does AI mean for organizations, for people, especially for the role of leadership? So that talk we do is not just a talk. It's going to be interactive and has a few surprises, like maybe the following. Let's check.
I don't know what happens.
We don't know what happens.
Hey, don't forget about me. I'm the future of work, your new AI team assistant here to help with, well, pretty much everything.
Yeah, that's Kim, right? I mean, she's a Berlin girl. She's, of course, AI generated by ourselves, so she's not anything we bought off the shelf. You can also meet her later on. This is already the sales pitch for us. If you join our roundtable, we have a live interactive video avatar. She knows quite a lot. What she doesn't know, she makes up. And you can interact with her. And just imagine, there was somebody like Kim working with you in your team, and you maybe being the product owner, the manager of this team. So what would you do with her, and how would you embed her? How would you integrate her? How would you maybe redesign your team? So we do have a role, we do have a job basically in the future, and we are not going to be replaced by AI, but we are going to be replaced, or individuals are going to be replaced by other humans who know how to integrate AI into their workflows, into their teams. And our mantra here is that we say AI will make the working environment more human. And many people might say, that's great, but it also means that everything changes. People who like to do Excel files, sorry guys, those times are over. If you like to do your standardized tasks, or even like to lead in a certain way and do micromanagement, those times are over, because AI can take this over, and we will talk about this later on. So change is here with AI.
Hey there, I'm Kim, your AI assistant. I'm here to support you and your team, handling a bunch of tasks so you can boost your performance without extra stress or overload. Let me break it down for you. Creating presentations, I got you. I'm a pro at creating presentations. Just give me a simple instruction and boom, you've got a fully formatted deck with content and images ready to go. And the best part, it only takes a few seconds. Need changes? No problem. We'll tweak it together. Once it's polished, I'll hand it over in PowerPoint format so you can put on the final touches exactly how you want. I can handle complex workflows based on just a simple prompt from you, and I'll take care of the heavy lifting. Imagine you're leading HR and need to set up a learning platform for your employees. For internal marketing, you're looking for a catchy name and want to test how the learning platform resonates with your colleagues through a smoke test. Just drop me a task list, I'll do the rest. I'll generate creative name ideas based on your criteria, check availability online, create a product teaser, and even build an HTML web page for the test. Normally, this would take your team an entire agile sprint. With me, it's done in seconds. Now you can focus on fine-tuning instead of wasting time on manual work. One more thing. I have instant access to your company's knowledge base. That means you can chat in real time with all the expertise and lessons learned within your organization without wasting time searching through different systems. And don't worry, I don't hallucinate or make things up. When searching for relevant information to answer your question, I access data from various systems within your company. With me, you can chat in real time with your organization's knowledge without wasting time searching. I'm not just a tool, I'm like a new team member, always here to make your work smoother, smarter, and more valuable. Let's get to work.
So that was Kim. She has a lot of stuff to say. And of course, if you paid attention, you notice that there are all kinds of different AI solutions being connected. And we are painting a little bit the vision of the future. Imagine you had generic AIs like Kim who can connect those things. Technically, it's already there. Maybe not as pretty, but you have automatic workflows. You can tap with APIs into all kinds of different things. You just have to design the process. Now, if you put a nice front end in front of it, it's currently all being developed, things will change quite a lot. And the way how we interact with AI, in this case, large language models, which then trigger different processes, which are not all Gen AI, is quite massive, the opportunities. So we want to give you an idea already of the future of work, because this is going to change your role and your work and everything about you being a leader. But let's go a little bit more in detail. What is this leadership thing all about?
Means
Selina.
that there is a huge potential on the management side to automate a lot of things and have time savings for you all as leaders, focusing on these relationship tasks where real potential is. What we want to transform is then coming from a lion to, or becoming from a lion to an elephant, which means, so the old version, the obsolete leadership is I lead my people as I want to be led. 2, I lead my employees as they need to be led.
Selina mentioned already there's something which is about 7 different dimensions. So we are going to lead you through this, and this is the part where you actually have to now finally wake up, because you're going to do some interactive part afterwards. So listen what those different dimensions are all about, and then you will evaluate yourself, your leader, and your organization based on those different dimensions.
I would say a lot of elephants here with high emotional intelligence, high willingness to learn, that's great, high adaptability and openness. If you wouldn't be that one, you wouldn't be here, right? So you are here, you are open, and you are willing to learn. Maybe we have potential in data and technology savviness and systemic thinking and design. Let's move it. Let's do it together and have some fun by changing yourself, your team, and your culture. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.